Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the kettle safe and accessible. Unplug and let the unit cool, then remove the filter and rinse it. Next, pour a 1:1 mix of white vinegar and water directly into the kettle so scale is submerged. This works because acetic acid dissolves mineral deposits. Once filled, plug in and bring to a gentle boil or leave to soak for 20-30 minutes for heavy buildup. Make sure to watch for any unusual smells and keep ventilation. Once the vinegar soak has loosened scale, bring the kettle to a boil if you didn't already, then turn it off and let the liquid sit for another 20-30 minutes. This increases contact time and breakdown of deposits. After cooling, pour out the solution and scrub interior gently with a non-abrasive brush or sponge. Focus on the base and around the spout where minerals collect. Rinse thoroughly 3 times with fresh water to ensure no vinegar taste remains, and inspect the interior. To finish, fill the kettle with fresh water and bring it to a rolling boil, then discard. Repeat once to purge any lingering vinegar or loosened particles. Dry the exterior with a microfiber cloth and let the interior air dry with the lid open. Reinstall the clean, dry filter. If you still see stubborn scale, soak with a citric acid solution or repeat the vinegar treatment. Citric acid is gentler and effective. If heating problems persist, stop using the kettle and seek repair to avoid hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.